Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to change your astrological sign on Snapchat. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is open your Snapchat application. From here, just tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now, to change your astrological sign, you have to go to settings, just tap on that. Then go to your birthday section. So this is where you can change your astrological sign. Just change your birth date and it will automatically change your astrological sign as well. Tap OK. And then, as you can see, I changed the birth date. And now let's see what astrological sign I got. There it is. If you notice, this was Taurus a while ago, and now it's Leo. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!